Hello, I am Teoman and welcome back to DefenseWebTV News, part of Army Recognition Group, your trusted daily source for comprehensive global military coverage. Each day, we deliver the most significant defense stories supported by dynamic video reports spanning land, air, and naval operations. On November 3rd, 2025, the Belgian Navy received its first city-class mine countermeasures vessel, M940 Oostende, built by Naval Group and Exail under the Belgian-Dutch rMCM program to replace the tripartite class with drone-based mine warfare ships. The vessel will begin trials before its formal handover on November 7th, marking Europe's shift toward autonomous mine countermeasure operations.
The M940 Oostende is the first of 12 next-generation mine countermeasure vessels built under the joint Belgian-Dutch rMCM program, 6 for each navy. The ships are produced by the Belgian Naval and Robotics Consortium led by Naval Group and Exail under a contract signed in 2019. Each 82-meter city-class vessel displaces about 2,800 tons, with a top speed of 15 knots and a core crew of 33, expandable to over 60 with drone operators and mission specialists. Unlike traditional minesweepers, Oostende does not enter danger zones itself. Instead, it serves as a floating command center, deploying a suite of unmanned vehicles to detect and neutralize mines from a safe distance. These include the Inspector 125 unmanned surface vessel, A-18M autonomous underwater vehicles equipped with advanced synthetic aperture sonar, and T-18M towed sonars for precision mapping and route clearance. All data from these systems is processed through Naval Group's Polaris Combat Management System, integrated with Exail's UMISOFT and a dedicated mine warfare system, creating a single real-time picture of the underwater battlespace. For self-defense, Oostende carries a Bofors 40 Mk4 cannon, Sea Defender remote weapon stations, mag machine guns, and non-lethal systems like LRAD and water cannons, ensuring protection during mine clearing or infrastructure missions. Testing of the ship's unmanned systems begins in late 2025 in Belgian waters, with progressive trials validating autonomy, data fusion, and launch and recovery in varied sea conditions. Built for adaptability, Oostende's modular design supports future upgrades in drones, sonar, and processing power. Annual ship deliveries will follow for Belgium and the Netherlands, creating one of Europe's most advanced mine warfare fleets, ready to operate independently or seamlessly within NATO task groups.
With the M940 Oostende now entering its final testing phase, Belgium begins the shift from legacy mine hunters to a fully unmanned standoff mine warfare model shared with the Netherlands through the rMCM program. Once operational, the city-class fleet and its drone toolbox will give the both navies one of the Europe's most modern and risk-reduced mine countermeasure capabilities. Stay tuned to Army Recognition's DefenseWebTV News for continuous updates on the developments in the defense and security, and join us for End of the Week review, where we break down the most significant and important stories across land, air, and sea.